How to transfer crypto from OKX exchange to MEXC Global. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binbisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can transfer crypto from OKX exchange to MEXC Global. Now, first things first, you want to open up your OKX wallet. Make sure you're logged into your account and make sure you are verified. If you are verified, you'll get the deposit and withdraw tab right at the home screen, but I'm not verified, so I'll just be guiding it through. So once here, if you don't find the deposit withdraw tab here, you can tap on the dots icon that you can see at the top left corner, and then you can tap on withdraw, right? So now it's asking me to verify, but once you tap on withdraw, it will give you an option to select the assets, right? So you can select the assets that you wish to withdraw by searching from the search bar or selecting it, and then you want to select the withdrawal method, that is either on-chain or internal. You want to select on-chain. Now once there, you want to enter in the address, your withdrawal network, and withdrawal amount. Now for that, you want to open up your MEXC application, and there you want to go to the option there that says deposit. From there you want to select the network, and once you select the network, you want to go ahead and copy the wallet address, and then you can get that particular address and paste it on your OKX address option, and then select your withdrawal network and such, and you are good to go. So this is how you can transfer crypto from OKX exchange to MEXC Global. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.